Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to link a third-party email account, specifically Gmail, in this tutorial to your Yahoo Mail. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to log in your Yahoo Mail account. So open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser, and then dapat nakapag-login ka na sa iyong Yahoo Mail account. So dito lang sa top right corner, and then i-click mo lang dito yung ating Yahoo Mail inbox. So click mo lang yan. And next step, so dito lang sa top right corner, and makikita mo dito yung icon settings. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-select or i-click mo lang dito yung more settings. At dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung mailbox. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa mailbox, ang next step kung paano ba natin i-add yung ating Gmail account. So dito lang sa mailbox list, makikita mo dito yung ating Yahoo Mail account. And then next, ito yung add mailbox. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa select email provider, so kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Google. So tap lang natin yan. And then add a mailbox. So enter your Gmail email address. Okay, so enter lang natin ang ating Gmail account. Ayan, so once na-enter mo na yung Gmail account, and then ang susunod ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung next. And madadirect tayo dito sa sign in to continue to Yahoo. So makikita mo dito yung ating Gmail account, and then i-click mo lang dito yung next. And then next step, so kailangan mo lang i-enter dito yung Gmail password mo. Okay, so ito yung Gmail natin na in-enter, and then kailangan natin i-enter dito yung ating password. So once na-enter mo na dito yung Gmail password mo, and then ang susunod ay click mo lang dito yung next. Okay, so step 2 verification tayo. So kailangan lang natin mag-verify yung ating account. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na nakapag-sign in na tayo dito sa ating Yahoo Mail. Nandito na yung ating Gmail account. So na-add na natin dito. So i-click mo lang dito yung continue. By continuing, Google will share your name, email address, language, preferences, and profile picture with Yahoo. Okay, so i-click mo lang dito yung next mga kaibigan. Alright, so nandito na. So select what Yahoo can access. So nandito lahat yung mga option na pwedeng ma-access dito sa ating Gmail account. So select ka lang dito. So select all. And then click mo lang dito yung continue. Ayan. So makikita mo na dito na your mailbox has been added. Okay, so nandito na yung ating Gmail na add na natin dito. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan on how to add Gmail account to your Yahoo Mail. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.